Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from Binance to Quotex. It's really simple and easy. First of all, open the Binance application and tap on the Assets tab in the bottom right corner of the screen. And by default, you will be in this overview section. You have to tap on this port here. And in the port, you will see this option here, Spot, Withdraw and Transfer. So you have to click on Withdraw and then simply tap on this Send via Crypto Network. You will see all of the crypto that you have, so you just have to select that particular crypto which you want to withdraw, and then you will see this option deposit, withdrawal and transfer. Just simply tap on this withdraw, and then you have to select this Send via Crypto Network. Tap on it. After selecting it, you have to enter the address first, and then you have to select the network, BE20 network. After selecting the network, you have to launch your Quotex mobile application, and there you will have to select the same crypto. Then you just have to select the address from there, and you need to paste this address here. And after that, in the network, you have to make sure that both of the network are same. If you have selected BP20, then you will have to select BP20 over here, and as well as in your Quotex mobile application. So after filling these details, you have to enter the amount and just simply tap on this withdraw button in the bottom. Once done, it will ask you that you are sending this much amount from your spot wallet or from your funding wallet. So in whichever wallet you have crypto, you will have to select that wallet, and then you need to press confirm. And then you will be landed on final confirmation page where you have to check all your details are correct or not, and then simply tap on confirm again, and you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to transfer USDT from Binance to Cortex. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.